Mussels are a highly nutritious seafood, making them an appealing choice for consumers worldwide. In 2023, the global mussel market was valued at approximately $3.4 billion. The primary method for harvesting mussels is the rope culture method, where mussel seeds are placed inside a sock made of biodegradable material. This sock is then suspended on ropes submerged in the water, providing an optimal environment for the mussels to grow. As the mussels mature, they begin to cling to the ropes, feeding on plankton in the water. When the mussels reach full maturity, typically within 12 to 18 months, the sock is lifted out of the water, and the rope is carefully cut. The mussels are then separated from the sock using a threshing machine, a process that helps remove them efficiently without causing damage. After this initial separation, the mussels are collected in containers, where they await further processing. The farmers, meanwhile, begin preparing for the next round of mussel cultivation. The used socks are thoroughly washed to remove any debris and contaminants, ensuring they are ready to hold fresh batches of mussel seeds. These clean socks are then refilled with new mussel seeds, suspended on the ropes once again, and returned to the water. This sustainable cycle of cultivation ensures a continuous supply of mussels for harvesting. The processing phase is crucial because it ensures that the mussels are clean and safe for consumption. Over time, mussels accumulate dirt and other particles from their underwater environment. Following this, they are taken through a series of more thorough cleaning processes, one of which includes handpicking. During the handpicking stage, workers carefully inspect the mussels, discarding any that appear unhealthy or damaged. This manual step is essential for maintaining the quality of the harvest. At purification plants, the mussels are placed in large containers where they undergo a final cleaning process. These plants are equipped with specialized machinery designed to purify, descale, and maintain the mussels in a healthy, live state until they are ready for further processing. The goal here is to ensure that the mussels are clean, healthy, and free from any harmful bacteria or impurities. Various purification techniques are used to achieve this, including advanced filtration systems that remove excess slime and other unwanted materials. The washing process in purification plants involves several key pieces of equipment, such as rotary drum washers, which use internal spray nozzles to tumble and clean the mussels, and high-pressure spray washers, which use jets of water to remove dirt and debris. Additionally, brush washers with rotating brushes help scrub the mussels, while flume wash systems transport and clean them using flowing water. Some facilities even use hydrocyclone systems, which rely on centrifugal force to separate the mussels from smaller contaminants. Ultrasonic cleaners are another type of equipment used, though less common on a large scale. These cleaners use high-frequency sound waves to create cavitation bubbles that help dislodge dirt and particles from the mussels. This wide range of machinery ensures that the mussels are thoroughly cleaned and prepared for inspection. Human inspectors are responsible for conducting quality checks on the mussels once they pass through the cleaning stages. These inspectors examine the mussels for several factors, including size, shell integrity, and the absence of any debris or damage. They work at well-lit inspection stations, often alongside conveyor belts, which allow them to monitor the mussels continuously and efficiently. Any mussels that do not meet the required quality standards are manually removed from the production line to ensure only the best mussels make it to market. Once the mussels pass the inspection phase, they are transferred to packaging stations. Here, they are weighed and placed into containers such as mesh bags, vacuum-sealed packs, or bulk crates, depending on the distribution requirements. Small packaging methods are particularly important for retail markets. Mussels are often placed in mesh bags or vacuum-sealed packs, sometimes submerged in water or brine to maintain moisture and freshness. These packaging methods are designed to extend the mussel's shelf life and ensure they remain in prime condition until they reach consumers. In markets that require shucked mussels, the process involves steaming the mussels open. Once opened, the meat is extracted, packaged into vacuum-sealed containers or trays, and prepared for distribution. This ensures that consumers receive high-quality mussels, whether they purchase them in shell or pre-shucked. Facilities that rely on automated machinery use several key types of equipment to streamline the packaging process. Weighing and filling machines are essential, as they automatically measure precise quantities of mussels and place them into bags or containers. In some facilities, manual packaging still plays a role, with workers responsible for weighing and sealing the mussels using heat-sealing equipment. Once the mussels are packaged, they are ready for distribution to markets, where they will be enjoyed by seafood enthusiasts around the world. Whether served, steamed, grilled, or added to a seafood stew, mussels continue to captivate the palates of people globally. Their journey from the ocean to the plate showcases the excellence of sustainable aquaculture practices and the bounties of our oceans. What new aspects of mussel farming and processing have you learned today? Let us know in the comments down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe, as it helps us grow this channel and provide new videos to you as often as we can. Hitting the like button helps this video reach a wider audience. You may be interested in this video next.